Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or adjust the print quality settings on your Canon printer. So basically the print quality settings control how finely the ink droplets are placed on the page. So while higher quality settings don't always produce the best results, it will definitely decrease your printer speed as the quality increases. However, as it would imply, if it's higher quality, it probably uses more ink than lower quality. So for most people, they just have it set at normal settings, but if you're trying to acquire a more precise or better quality image, especially if you're trying to print out pictures or images or that sort of thing on your computer, it may be more advantageous to set a higher quality setting and have a little bit of a trade-off in terms of your quantity of ink consumption. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best results should come back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and open that up. Say your view by up in the top right, the category view, and then select Hardware and Sound. Select underneath for Assist Devices and Printers. Select Advanced Printer Setup. Select your Canon printer from this list and then select where it says Printing Preferences. And where it says Print Quality, you can click on the drop down here. You can select High Quality, Standard, or Draft. High being the best quality, draft meaning you really don't care that much about it, but it'll still be legible. And then standard is just the regular normal setting in here. And then once you're done with that, you probably would want to checkmark always print with current settings, and then select apply, select OK, and then OK again. And that is about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.